अल्फाबेट ट्री। लास्ट टाइम हमने जब एबीसी सॉन्ग लर्न किया था तब हमने देखा था ना अल्फाबेट ट्री। दिस इज एबीसी एंड सी हियर टुडे वी विल लर्न लेटर ए। See here, this is bell. Bell sound is. This is drum. Drum sound is. This is guitar. Guitar sound is. आपने देखा इन सारे ऑब्जेक्ट के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम हैं और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साउंड है। ठीक वैसे ही इन सारे अल्फाबेट के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम होते हैं और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साउंड होते हैं। आज हम लेटर ए के बारे में सीखेंगे। इट्स नेम इज ए एंड साउंड इज ए। अब हम ए की स्टोरी सुनेंगे। अ फैमिली गोज ऑन द picnic. They were eating apple in the garden. Suddenly, kids felt tickling in their arms. They saw ants on their arms. And kids started shouting, "Ah! Ah! Ah!" And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they are causing me alarm. A. This letter's name is A and its sound is A. अब मैं A के ऑब्जेक्ट बताऊंगी आपको। X, apple, arrow, aeroplane. Which letter is this? This is A and A sound is A. लर्न हुआ आपको लेटर A? Okay, bye bye. Now we will learn how to write letter A. But before starting to write letter A, we will revise our previous letter. Look children, which letter is this? L. Lion. T. Tomato. H. Horse. Igloo. E. Elephant. And F for fish. Now we will write letter A. As usual, we have 4 lines to write capital letters. We will use only 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. That is Papa line, Mama line and Baby line for writing capital letters. Put your pencil on the Papa line. For writing A, we will slide to the left side. Again, we will put our pencil on the starting point and now we will slide to the right side. One slanting, another slanting and then make a sleeping line between Mama line and Baby line. Put your pencil on Papa line. Now we will slide to the left side to the Baby line. Again put pencil on Papa line and slide to the Baby line on right side. Now join both the slanting line with a sleeping line between Mama line and Baby line. Now we will join the dots. We will slide to the left side from Papa line to Baby line. Now we will slide to the right side from the Papa line and Baby line. Now we will make a sleeping line between Mama line and Baby line. Once again, slide to the left side. Again slide to the right side. Now make a sleeping line between Mama line and baby line. Look children, you have to make sleeping line between mama line and baby line, not on mama line. Now we will practice on slate. How to write A. Keep your pencil on papa line. Slide to the left side on baby line. Once again put your pencil on papa line. Slide to the baby line on right side. Now we will make a sleeping line between mama line and baby line. Once again slide to the left, slide to the right and make a sleeping line between mama line and baby line.